What is up, guys, and welcome to the Carnival Vista, and welcome to the room tour for cabin 1219, an ocean view cabin. So we'll go ahead and start it out. Alright guys, so as you enter into the cabin, on your immediate right is the bathroom with your standard cruise setup with the shower, toilet, sink, and if you notice, the shower has the built-in shampoo and shower gel dispensers with the adjustable shower head. Unfortunately, it does have the curtain, but as you can see, it's very functional. So stepping back out, you have your thermostat. Then back off to the left, you have your cabinets, your storage space for your clothes with hangers. You also have your full-length mirror. Then right next to it, you have another cabinet, and you can hang more clothes up over here. These are shelves that fold down. You just do this, and then boom, that comes down like that. Then over here, you have your safe for your valuables, more drawer space. Then back off to the right, you have this little nightstand here with a couple of drawers, lamp, couch, and I'm not sure, but I think somehow that couch makes into a bed. But there are drawers down here that pull out. So I'm not sure, but I'm sure if you ask your room steward, he can probably help you out with it. Have your coffee table. Then back over here on the left, you have your vanity desk area. You have your fridge under here, shelves, and then you have 2 USBs, 2 regular wall outlets, your European outlet, and the mirror switch. And then right here you have your hair dryer, stool. Then back over here, you obviously have your bed, which can be divided into 2 twins, or as it is, as you see it now. And you have a end table on each side with a lamp, and then you have your master switch for the lights. Also, each end table has an area for more storage. And on the wall, you have your interactive TV, which you can watch regular TV. They have on-demand movies. They have cruise cams. You can check your account balances and also see what's going on the ship. And it is, like I say, an adjoining cabin, so if you've got a large family, I guess you can book these side by side, and that way you can keep in touch with your family. And then last but not least, you have your window so you can see out. Well, that's it, guys. That's pretty much everything in here. As you can see, it's pretty basic, but it's got plenty of room. I'm traveling as usual, but solo, so it's more than enough room for me. We're on the first deck, obviously, and so you get a really good view of the ocean and the ship breaking through, leaving a wake. So it's pretty neat. But that's going to do it for now. We'll go ahead and wrap this video up. As always, if you have any questions that you see about anything you see in the video, please feel free to leave it in the comments. And as always, if you like this video, if you found it useful, if you'd like to see more like this, go ahead and invite you to like, subscribe, share, comment. I truly appreciate all the folks that take the time to watch my videos and subscribe, and it really does help the channel out. But I'll go ahead and wrap this up, and hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you around the way.